This is a quick video on how to use the goo.gl URL shortener and QR code generator. So the first thing that you're going to need is a long URL or website address. So I have one here, and I am going to right click and copy the link. I'm going to go to goo.gl, and if you are signed in with your either Lewis Central account or Gmail account, then you don't have to be, but it does save the websites that you do. So you can see I kind of have a history of other links that I've shortened down at the bottom. So in the box, it'll say paste your long URL. So I can right click and paste, and then click on the blue shorten URL button. So I have a shortened URL here, goo.gl/dybtss. Notice that it is case sensitive, so you do have to have capital DY and capital SS. The other thing that it does is it adds it down to my history or details, and so I have the long URL on the left side, when it was created, the short URL link, a details link, and the number of clicks that have been on it. So if I click on the details of this link, then it also gives me a QR code. So what I could do then, if I want these two things together, right click on the QR code and go down to copy image. And then I'm going to go to Google Drive and create a new Google Doc. And in that Google Doc, I can right click and paste. And the QR code comes in just as an image that I could resize if I want to. And I could also then go back and click on my shortened URL, right click, copy, or Control C, either one. And then underneath my image, my QR code image, right click and paste that link. So now I have a QR code and a shortened URL that both go to the same place. This is great if you have kids with different types of devices. Some may be able to scan, some may be able to type easier, but it gives them an option of going to the same one, and it doesn't really take a whole lot of time either way. Another thing that you can do is there is a Chrome extension that does a lot of the same thing. So if I find a different page, notice in my extensions bar I have, it's a little vise that's squeezing a green box. And if I hover over it, goo.gl URL shortener, and it essentially does the same thing as the website. So when I click on it, it gives me a goo.gl shortened URL. And down at the bottom, it also gives me a QR code. And that QR code, let me bring my Google Doc out into a new window. And I'll put this window on this side. And so that QR code, I can actually just click and drag it onto my Google Doc, and now it's in my Google Doc as a new image. I can also come back over on the right hand side and click on copy, and it now has copied, and then I can paste it there, the URL, the shortened URL. So two ways to accomplish the same thing and be able to let kids get to websites a little quicker.